Right then folks, this is part 2 to the sleigh build. I've been out and I bought some wood filler, Bartolene wood filler. I've never used this before. It says ready mixed. Says you've got to squeeze the tube before application. So I'm just going to give this a quick 5-minute squeeze and then I'll just put a bit on the sleigh. Right, I filled all the holes on that now, using this stuff. My impressions of this, not very impressed with it. It's pretty crap, to be honest. But I'm going to let that go off. I'll give it a sanding down, and then more than likely I'll have to put some more of this on it because it just doesn't want to stick to it at all. So I'll just let it go off, see how it dries, and then we'll take it from there. Right then, it's all been filled. I'm just going to give it a quick sanding down. I've got a sheet of 240 paper. I'm just going to go over all of it, 240, and then we're going to crack on with the paint. Right, I've sanded it all down, I've hoovered it all off to get all the dust off it. I've got myself a little roll of masking tape now. I'm going to mask off the gold bit, what's going to be gold, because the majority of it obviously is red, and then you've got the gold spiral things, whatever they're called, on the side of the carriage. So I'm just going to mask off the gold parts now and get on with painting the red bit. Right, as you can see though, I've masked all this inner rail off because all the inside of this is going to be red and this is all going to be gold. So I've just masked this inner side off. And I've just masked off under here because these are being black, but that piece there is being red. So while I'm waiting for that red to dry, I can paint these black ones. The colours I've got for this, plastic coat gold leaf colour, and I got cadmium red. As you can see, I got that from B&M Home Stores. It was £1.49, and I think that was £3 odd. I'm not sure, £3.50 I think it was. So I'm just going to crack on now. I'm going to paint all the inside red, paint all the outside red, and see what can get done there. Right then, as you can see, that's one coat of the red on. Obviously I'm going to have to put another coat on, because where I've filled in over the screw heads, you can actually see the white filler through it. So it's going to have another coat over the red. So I'm just going to wash my brush now and crack on with painting the bottom ones, the runners, painting them black. Right then, for the runners, I've got some of that Wilko matte black wooden metal paint. So I'm just going to paint the runners on with that now. Right then guys, what I've done here now, it's all had 2 coats. I've not painted the gold on these yet, but where I've filled the screw holes on the sleigh itself, the actual filler is still showing through the paint. Now all that's had 2 coats of paint, and it's actually still showing through. So what I'm going to do is I've masked it off along the edge, because if you look at the original design and the colours of this sleigh, it has a gold stripe along it. So where I've put the masking tape, that is where the actual gold stripe's supposed to be. But because I've got these screw holes showing through, I'm going to kill 2 birds with 1 stone. I'm going to paint over the edge of that with the gold paint, so your eye won't be attracted to the filler what's in the screw holes. So the gold line is going to go up there. If you're going to do this, make sure you use the low tack masking tape or painter's tape. I've also done it along the back so it all matches up square. So you get a square there and it'll be all the same there, and I've done the same on the front. So you're going to get a gold stripe all the way around it. So I'm just going to crack on with that now, and then we're going to let it dry, and I'm going to make a few little special things to put inside the sleigh. Right, you get the idea guys. I'm not going to bore you with another hour's worth of video, so I'm just going to stop the video here. I'm going to crack on with doing the rest of it, and then I'll show you when I've done it. Right then, just zoom in a little bit there. As you can see, it's all painted up. I've just got to, this is still a bit wet, so I've just got to wait, and then I can peel that masking tape off. But it's painted all the way around. Like so. As you can see, the inside of it is all painted red. This isn't sponsored or endorsed in any way, but this Plastico gold paint is absolutely fabulous. I've given that 2 coats. I mean, it's only a small 59mm pot, and I've used probably less than half a tub of that. It goes on nice, it dries nice, and it's, I mean, this is MDF, so MDF absorbs it like really well, but it's turned out bob on. But I'm not going to show you the rest of what I'm doing to it now. all I'm going to do basically is peel the masking tape off. I'm going to make one or two little things to go inside it. So the next clip what you're going to see is actually the completed project. Right guys, as you've seen from the last clip there was only the masking tape what needed to be taken off. It's all complete now. I'm going to give you a look at it in a minute. As you can see, I've put one or two little presents in it to dress it up a little bit. I got a little bag from the shops, what looks like Santa's sack, and like I said, I just put a few little presents in it. The reindeer's sitting all pretty in front of it, and I think that's going to look rather nice on top of a TV unit, or on your fireplace, on your hearth, or somewhere like that, or just on display somewhere. The actual lighting in the shed and the camera doesn't actually do the sleigh justice. It is a lot nicer to look at with your naked eye, obviously right in front of you. But yeah, if you like this project, please give me a big thumbs up for it. Like the video, subscribe to my channel and share the video. Press the bell icon in the corner, that'll alert you to the next time I put a video up. And if you've got any questions, please leave me a comment in the section down below. And I'll see you again soon. Thank you for watching me, and I hope you enjoyed it.